Everybody up, yeah, give them an update. Everybody, love a look, yeah, give them an update. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we gonna put on an exhaust tip on the Q. As you can see, it's up on the lift right now. So we got the Q in the air. So we're gonna put on a single exit. We got it over there. A 3-inch single. So yeah, guys. Q is gonna be loud right now. Got the Mustang over there getting his exhaust on. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, guys. So this Mustang just got his exhaust done too. Yep. So it's good. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Yep. So right now he just over there test fit it. He's test fitting it on the Q. Make sure y'all go check him out if y'all in Palm Beach. I think the Q is gonna sound good. What y'all think?
That's what you wanted? It's close.
Okay guys, so we're gonna get the first startup right now. First startup with a single. Okay. Got the big ass single. Yeah guys, so the exhaust is finally on. So we got the Q with the single. Sheesh, she look good. that's how it sounds. And this is the muffler shop. Make sure you go and hit them up. There's the number right there. If y'all live in Palm Beach area, Florida, make sure y'all hit them up. One of the best muffler shop in Palm Beach, if not the best. So yeah, guys, and if you guys like the content, please like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, guys, peace. I'll catch you in the next one.
Boy King with a single exit.
Mm-hmm.